Hi there, just a short video. I know on the Wahoo stuff I haven't done much, but to be honest, other than updating the software and going out on the rides, there's not much to feedback. I'll do another video soon, but what I noticed today was I went out on my bike for a ride, and looking at the Wahoo, you see there it says low battery power. And if you click on more, it's the right pedal low. So that's brilliant. So now it must be that Wahoo have got the Bepro pedals now, and that they're actually geared up for the software. So thanks to Wahoo for doing that. And got any questions, any likes, any comments, put them down below, and I'll try and put another video out soon. Thanks for watching.